Hey Cappy, how's it going, my loves? So this is Monica back from Intuitive Soul 78, and tonight I'm going to be doing your August love reading. We're going to go ahead and get into the energies, find out how your person's feeling, what kind of lessons both of you guys are learning, what the romance angels have to say, and then we're going to get into the tarot, okay? Thank you so much for the likes, the shares, the subscribes, all the support. You guys have been amazing. I really appreciate it. Let me get some of these shuffled up really quick, and then we'll begin. The first thing I'm going to do is take a look at what lesson you guys are both learning. Then we're going to do the feelings and then the angel cards. Okay, for the lessons, let's go ahead and begin. What's the current lesson for the person Capricorn is dealing with in love? The current lesson, please, Spirit, for whoever Capricorn is speaking about tonight. Okay, so your person got the card Imagination. It says, I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. So the lesson is about imagination, or something that has to do with their imagination. And for you, Capricorn, what's the message for Capricorn? Okay, Cappy, you got the card Fear. And your card says, I realize that I am testing my resolve to live in the energy of love. Okay, so imagination and fear. Let's find out how your person is truly feeling about the relationship. And your person got the card Ascending. Transcending Obstacles. Oh, Transcending Obstacles. Learning Expansion. New Phase. Preparing for Union. That's a really great card to get. So they feel like your relationship is growing. It's ascending to a higher level. For Capricorn, please. Excuse my voice, you guys. I had mouth surgery this morning, and I've been in a bit of pain, and my voice sounds all jacked up. But you got the card Coffee Cup. Meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, and friendship. All right. And for the romance angel cards, your person got let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. And for yourself, finances and career. I'm not surprised, Capricorn. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. All right. So, let me see here. So your person is needing to let go of control issues. Let things just happen naturally. In their thoughts, in their feelings, things are growing. Things are getting deeper. The connection. These are overcoming obstacles in their mind and growing into a new phase of the relationship. For yourself, Capricorn, I feel like some of you guys, not for all of you guys, but some of you guys have like fear of commitment issues. Maybe you've been hurt in the past and you're not ready to trust another person yet. Maybe you're just more comfortable dating and not getting into a serious committed relationship. And I feel like you're just focused more on your finances and your career at this point in time. Let's go and see what's going on in the tarot. For your person, I'm going to use the Morgan Greer. Okay, for the person that Capricorn is dealing with, please, in love for August 2021. Woo! So that's the Five of Wands in the reverse. Next card, please. For Capricorn's person, we have the King of Swords. Could be an Aquarius in the equation here somewhere. For the person Capricorn is dealing with. Or you're dealing with the Capricorn, with an Aquarius, Cappy. We have the Nine of Cups in the reverse. And your last card. We have Scorpio energy, the Death card. Let me see what's at the bottom of the deck for you. You guys got the Knight of Swords. Some of you are doing with the Libra. Or you could just simply have these energies in your chart. Uh-oh. With the Seven of Swords and the Three of Swords too. I cannot ignore those. Or this Queen of Swords here. Okay, let me see. So... So the Empress and the Eight of Swords in the reverse. Alright, let's figure this out. So, Knight of Swords, Seven of Swords, Three of Swords, Queen of Swords. So altogether 2, 5, 12, 13, 4 swords. You need to heal, or your person needs some kind of healing. Somebody here needs to heal over a situation. Let's see what's going on. Right away I see we have a king, a queen, and a queen. That's a counterpart, right? And then we have a knight of swords. So, and then with this Three of Swords and the Seven of Swords being here, this is telling me that your person is involved in some kind of heartache, loss, possible. It looks a lot like deception here, I can't lie. Okay? So, with the Knight of Swords being here, some sort of communication. I feel like somebody, yeah. You know what, Capricorn? So this is the energy. They're really unhappy right now. They're coming out of conflict. They got some kind of truth and they're going to cut somebody off. It's going to be the end for them. Okay, this is what I'm getting. What I'm getting, Capricorn, is that somebody comes and tells your person, maybe that they're dealing with you, like an outsider or a third party. Or we have somebody coming in, your person finding out or getting some kind of information that you betrayed them, that you hurt them, that you were dealing with somebody else, cheated on them. And the truth comes out. Some of them are going to find out that you're married, or something involving a married couple here. There's an outsider and there's a married couple. Okay? And that's going to be found out here in the month of August. It looks like your person's finding out that you're married, or that you're getting married. They went through a lot of conflict, a lot of internal anxiety, big time, your person. Because of this truth, they decided to cut somebody out, possibly you. This relationship ended. They're really unhappy. I'm really sad about this, your person. And the Death card being here, yeah, it's over. The relationship is over once they find this out. Or this could be your person that is married or in a long-term committed relationship already. And your person like goes back to the ex or is cheating with you. I'm not sure. Let me see what your cards have to say. Show me what is going on. Show me what's going on with Capricorn this month. Damn. I'm getting the energy of somebody being confronted by a wife or something like that. Or a girlfriend confronting a wife. That's all bad, Cappy. And you know what? This is the second time I'm doing your reading, because the first one was the same. It was about somebody who was dealing with another person who was married, and they go back. The married person goes back or reconciles with their spouse or whatever. And I don't know, I just didn't like the energy of the reading, and so I decided to throw down another one. It's the same thing. For Capricorn, please, what are they going through August 2021? Okay, so we have the Four of Cups in the reverse. It's in this position. That's how it fell out. I see for Cappy, please. Two of Wands. You said that in the other reading too. There's really strong Aquarius, really strong air as well. 10 of Cups in the reverse. On your person's energy, on your person's side, you guys could be dealing with an air sign, most definitely. We got the Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. You guys had almost the exact same cards. You had that one in the other reading too, but it was on your person's side. At the bottom of the deck, you guys have the Ace of Swords. Alrighty. You know what? I'm gonna pull some more like I did for you guys over there. The Emperor, Nine of Swords came out also. Yeah, it's a wrap. Alright, let's see what this is. So, Ace of Swords, the Emperor, and the Knight of Swords are in reverse. So this is some kind of truth that's coming out, okay? The Emperor is usually somebody that's a father figure, some kind of authority figure, okay? But we have that with the Ace of Swords, and then we have the Nine of Swords here in reverse. The 9 and the 1 sword is 10 of Swords, so that's this person, this Emperor here, that's betrayal. You're going to be feeling betrayed by this person. It could be a married man that you're dealing with. That's what it looks like here. It could be an Aries. And then over here on the top, we have Four of Cups in reverse. If you couldn't figure out why your person may have been putting you like on the back burner, or if you felt rejected by your person, if you felt like your person wasn't giving you enough time, attention, I feel like you got tired of waiting. Your person kept rejecting you, putting you to the side, and so you just got tired of waiting or feeling rejected. You decided to, or you're making a decision, and I feel like even though you know it's going to hurt, I feel like most of you guys know that whoever's dealing with a married person, I feel like most of you guys know that you're dealing with a married person. You might not know that they're still trying to get back with their ex, or that they're still sleeping with their ex. I feel like this makes you really upset. The 10 of Cups in the reverse, yeah, that's emotional unfulfillment. That's like the ending of a happily ever after, or a happy situation. Okay, and then the Knight of Pentacles in the reverse is somebody retracting their offer. This is you taking your offer back from this person and cutting them out if you find out that they're married, or if you're the person who's married and you find out that your person, your husband, your wife, whoever, is has cheated, has deceived you. That's what you're going to do, and you're thinking about it. You're thinking about it long and hard, what you're going to do with the Two of Wands being here, and you know that's going to cause, you know, a lot of pain. But I feel like Cups, 10, 14 cups, that's 5 cups. Yeah, that's regrets over the past. That's needing to heal from the past, from what's gone on. So, and somebody just took back their offer. Yeah, you were dealing with somebody who was married, or you might be the person who's married who's dealing with two people. Anyways, this whole situation gets found out in the month of August, and a decision is going to be made. That's why you're going to be just focusing on your work, to get out of your head, to focus on something else besides this relationship. Okay? That's why you have fears of getting into another committed relationship or meeting somebody else, because you've been hurt this way. And that's why you'd rather just have more casual meetings with people with the coffee card coming up. Your person is all up in their head. Your person does really need to let go of control issues. They're trying to control this whole situation here. They're trying to control who finds out, when they find out, if they find out. Maybe you don't even know this person's married. I have no idea. But this person thinks that they're in control, but it's all going to unravel. It's all going to be out in the open soon. Ascending, transcending obstacles. Yeah, being married is an obstacle if you're trying to date, right? What does it say here? Learning, expansion, a new phase, preparing for union. I feel like this person, whoever it is that's doing the cheating, or the person that's married and stepping out, that person has done it before. Like, it's not the first time, and it's not the last time either. So sorry that this reading came out the same, but that's what I got in the first reading too, Capricorn. Okay, my loves, let me see here. Let me see what we get. What's your love advice, please, for the month of August, Spirit, for Capricorn and their situation. For Capricorn, please, August 2021. What's their message? Okay. For Capricorn, please. There we go. What your card says. All right, Cap, it says time. You're trying too hard. Give it time. You're trying too hard. Give it time. On your side, you are still going to be making a decision in August. Maybe you're going to find this out and still be with the person. With this card coming out, you're trying too hard. Give it time. You know what? I might add, usually the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords are a divorced couple. So there's a little plot twist here, okay? For some of you guys, this person was married and they're hooking back up with the person that they're married to before, like with their ex. Or your person is just was in a long-term commitment, not necessarily married, but they're going back and sleeping with their ex still. Either way, I feel like you're going to put the pressure on this person and tell them to make a decision in the month of August. All this is going to come out. It's going to be an issue, whether you guys know about it or whether you guys don't know about it. You're going to find out about it, and this issue is you're going to make the decision. You're going to be making the final decision. It looks like here from the Two of Wands being on your side. You know how bad it's going to hurt, but you're going to have to make a tough decision. Okay, my loves, let me pull one positive affirmation card before I go. So quit trying so hard. Just let things happen, however they're going to happen. Give things time. Take time to heal. Let's see here. Your card, Cappy, says, look for something positive in each day, even if some days you have to look a little harder. Yeah. There's always something to be thankful for. You can walk away from this or find out about this, walk away from it, and leaving this situation is the best thing that ever happened to you, you know? But that's all up to you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave me comments. Let me know what's going on, how you guys relate to this story. If you do or if you don't, hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe. Anything you guys want to do to support the channel, I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Talk to you soon.